have started. Excuse the wire, they're putting up Christmas lights right now, so this is happening right now.
Hola, buenos días, tip the show, amigo.
In a minute?
Yeah.
Isn't it nuts? Just dangling there. All my blood would be rushing to my head and I would feel like I was dying. It's craziness. Okay, I'm gonna cut it off. I don't know what else they're doing, but I don't want my video to be too long for uploading. But there you go. I forget what these guys are called. I will look it up and put it in the comments. Very cool though.